How to enroll in Black Friday and or Cyber Monday for 2025 as an Amazon seller. The first thing that you're going to do is log into Amazon Seller Central. You're going to do this drop down, advertising, price discounts. Right when you click on price discounts, it's going to take you to this tab. And this tab, you go into the top right corner, create a price discount. Click on that. Then it's going to take you over here. And this is where you put in your information to enroll in the discount. You're going to select your country. You're going to select your account. You're going to select the event. Do you want to just do Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Black Friday, or just Cyber Monday? They all cost $245. So it's up to you on which one you want to do. There's nothing's cheaper. It automatically blacks out those dates. So keep that in mind on the dates the promotion is going to run for your products. Click the discount type and then the internal description, maybe Black Friday, Cyber Monday 2025, just so you remember. After you do that, you're going to go to step 2 and click that button right here. Once you click that button, you're going to put all of your ASIN in. So make sure you have all of your ASIN copied down on a spreadsheet, and then you're going to put them in. You're going to click search, and you're going to manually add them to the campaign. So I'm going to click add, and then I'm going to move it over, set discounts and committed units. Make sure your products are FBA for this to work. Now, it's automatically going to put that discount in for you. So this is the lowest we can go, is going to be $79.99. If I increase it to $80, Amazon's going to be like, hell no, you can't do that. So you have to do $79.99, which is a 20% off discount. Now you can commit a certain number of units. Most likely you want to sell out of all of your units, so you can put that in. And then finally, you're going to go into the bottom right-hand corner and click submit. And that's it. It's going to charge you that $245 fee. This one is just the discount. So if I sold this for full price, I would be making an extra $2,000. But we're running discounts. It's Black Friday, Cyber Monday. You got to do what you got to do. Once you are finally enrolled, go back to that original price discounts tab. Make sure it's in there and it's showing that it is running, especially right before Black Friday starts. It starts on Amazon November 20th of 2025. So make sure everything's good, there's no errors, and it's running properly, so your campaigns are good to go. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.